In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a scheduled Lyft ride. First, make sure you have a scheduled ride. If you haven't scheduled one yet, open the Lyft app, tap on Schedule, choose your desired time slot, and then select Lyft to confirm. Once your ride is scheduled, it will appear on your home screen under the Home tab, where all your upcoming rides are listed. To cancel a scheduled ride, simply tap on the scheduled ride from the home screen. Then tap the three dots or settings icon, depending on your version of the app, and select Cancel Ride. When you do this, a confirmation screen will appear with a red cancel button. Tap that to complete the cancellation. Even if your ride is already matched with a driver, you can still cancel it by going into the scheduled ride options and tapping Cancel. That's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and consider subscribing for more useful guides.